This is Anuradha Rao, ma'am. She is the inspiration behind how these deer are. They are and peacocks. They are like flourishing on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Dweep. I want to know, ma'am, ये straws जो हैं plastic straws, ये भी एक threat है deer के लिए. तो इसीलिए इसको हटाते रहना होना चाहिए. अगर ये straws को paper straws कर दें तो better रहेगा.
मगर अभी बेस्ट है तो पेपर स्ट्रॉ था, गवर्नमेंट है तो हट गया वो.
चलिए कोई बात नहीं.
क्या सिस्टम है ना,
सिस्टम
डिसिप्लिन दोनों को देखो, डिसिप्लिन देखो दोनों.
बिल्कुल नहीं, ठीक है. हम भी कोशिश करेंगे अपनी तरफ से कि ये प्लास्टिक स्ट्रॉज के बजाय पेपर स्ट्रॉज ही यूज़ किए जाएं. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. The weather gods were favorable, and so we are at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Dweep, and it is just absolutely mesmerizing because not just are there deer all over the place, especially when you land at the jetty, but it's massively underrated, and you have to just see how gentle these creatures are and how nature has taken back what was its. You can check out my other videos when I make the detailed one about this island, and I'll probably make another one when I go back. But absolutely breathtaking, very underrated, and thankfully very well maintained up till now. So from the Japanese bunker that you see when you land, when you get off your boat, to every little bit that you see while you get back on it, I recommend it wholeheartedly. Thanks for watching. I am Akshat. Jai Hind. That black and white lighthouse is the last point of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Dweep, and the Andaman trip has been awesome, Max. I think this is the correct time to say that this place is a must visit for every Indian, because why go and spend your hard-earned tax-paid money in foreign lands when there is such mesmerizing nature, including coral reefs, living coral reefs that you can experience here. On Neil Island, we walked through the coral reef during low tide, and we went for a semi-submarine ride and a sea walk in Havelock Island. So do come here and do prefer this over foreign destinations, because what you have in your country is underrated, and people going to foreign countries just for passport stamps on their passports is very overrated. Papao Gogo Momo on Netaji Subhash Chandra Dweep, and it's absolutely awesome, Max, to see. Just look at this, look and imagine at this, marvel at this, how nature has reclaimed what humanity built. Absolutely wonderful and must visit place, I must say. It's just, you know, you see these kind of shots in CGI, in movies, in you know, post-apocalyptic scenarios that they like to make these days, but seeing it IRL in real life is just absolutely amazing. And I must say, make sure you visit this place at least once in your lifetime. Alright, we are the Akshats. Thanks for watching. Almost unbelievable if I wasn't seeing it with my own eyes, man. Oh, just, and not even too long ago. It's not like hundreds of years ago. This is just decades ago, not even a century ago, and the forest has completely and utterly just reclaimed its status as the epitome of nature's not fury but persistence. And that is why I think we have to just be a very, very careful species about what we do. with our planet. Take care and take care of our planet. Woo! So this is the pond because of which Ross Island, as it was then called, became a settlement for the British. And interestingly, I just found out that the cellular jail was actually the third one to be built here, because we were under the impression that Viper Island was the first jail, and then they built the cellular jail on Sri Vijayapuram, earlier known as Port Blair. But apparently Ross Island also had a jail, and so yeah, I guess fresh water is what has driven people to do many things. And check out this bridge, check out this living root bridge right here, yo. All right, awesome, Max, amazing. I'll walk through these routes and bid you adieu. So this is the first thing that you see when you enter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Dweep. And as you can see, there is a entire ferry docked right now. And after the Japanese bunker, you see how nature has reclaimed this island, and just wondrous to see it. I really like that we are ending our trip to Andaman with a trip to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Dweep, because it's just a testimony to how meek we are in front of nature's awesome max power. All right, so this will be my last video before we head back towards the airport. Thank you so much for checking out our vlog. We are the Akshats. This is Advitya, and she celebrated her second birthday on Shaheed Dweep, and I will give you more context about that in my longer videos.